Bro, shut up.
This is Who's Your Daddy, and we broke the game beyond repair. Here's a clip.
Where are you?
Yeah, so if you do enjoy this video, please subscribe. And if this video gets like 27 likes, I'll get Yoible and another person to play and make another video. Enough blabbering. Enjoy the video.
Okay, guys, what's up? In today's video, we're gonna be parenting.
Yep.
This is how to parent. If you predator call
Predator.
Narnie.
We out, Michael.
Do you hear that, Narnie?
No.
Where are you?
I don't know.
Narnie, where'd you go? Narnie! Is that you flying up there?
No. Don't check the roof. Fucking idiot, I'm not up there.
Screw you.
I think my entire screen's like... Oh,
Why am I green?
Where did the basket go? Oh, why are you green? Oh,
Where are you? Hey! Did you go on the slide?
No. Oh!
Did you go under the map? Did I just see you go underneath the map?
Oh my god!
The heck?
Oh my god! Oh, that's so funny. Oh my god.
Did you go underneath the map?
I did go underneath the map. But I always come.
Yeah, Narnie.
Oh, I just trick-shotted that.
Narnie, help! Can you hear me?
Hold on. Where are you?
Go to like the corner of the yard.
Oh! I just got in a car crash. Hold on. Oh.
Yeah. Wait, am I out? Yes. I'm out. No.
I gotta get back in the car.
Help, Narnie.
Oh.
Help.
Bro, shut up.
No. What? Did you just die?
What?
Hey, Narnie.
Why you gotta share?
Do you like my face?
How do you change your Oh.
Why are you standing up like that?
Look at
You
me.
stand up. Just...
Look at me. I
Me,
am the
bitch.
captain now. Look at me.
Look.
See you
How
again.
do I stand?
Okay, hold on. Let me just hold on.
I want
There
to
we go.
break free.
Oh, and I got it stuck in the floor. Why am I holding a candle?
No, I fell down.
I'm burning. Oh,
I think you're already burned.
that's crazy. I'm on fire. Yeah, I am.
I'm all wow.
Oh,
He's on fire.
I'm pretty sure I'm not.
The least buggy game in Detroit.
Tablet. Oh, I'm gonna watch Skibbity Toilet. Oh, I hate this video. We just both throw it at you.
Don't have me, Narnie. Burn me, burn me.
Fucking bounciest skin ever.
Okay. I don't know. I don't know why that guy left.
Bro, listen,
Hey.
I got black, I got white. What you? Play online. Oh, so loud. Create game. B.
Make it public, because nobody's joining.
Password B. G.
Big black baby girl. I don't. Swimming legend. I'll save you.
Daddy, Daddy, no. Daddy, no, Daddy, no, Daddy.
Oh.
Daddy, stop.
I'm edging your oxygen.
Click rematch.
Stop.
Click rematch.
Not even over.
What do you mean? You killed me.
No, I didn't. What?
Oh my gosh.
Baby has not.
What? I am floating in the air right now. I'm gray. Why do you have a grill? Why do you jump like that? Why does your legs look like that? Where are you going?
Oh! What the heck? Yeah. What is this skybox? Huh?
Where are you going?
Are those the Twin Towers? No. No, we're jumping. We're flying.
Woo!
No. Where'd you go?
I don't know. Where did I go? I don't like this. No. Oh.
Sisyphus if he was a small child.
Oh, and we're in the house. I'm not in the house. You are.
Yeah, I'm in the house, alright. I'm in the house. Don't look in the pool.
Oh, get out of there.
Oh! No, you just edged me so hard, bro.
Get in the house. You know what? Get in this pillar. Go inside of this pillar. You drop the baby. Can I? Please? Thank you. What? Hey, you can't go out. Go back in the pillar. Oh, and I'm back in the roof. You're going back in the house. Oh, you're going back in the house.
No.
What?
I'm stuck. I'm looking at Mark Zuckerberg right now. You freaking. This game predicted Mark Zuckerberg, dude. Oh. Oh! Probably shouldn't scream that. It's okay, I'm fine.
I actually cannot pick you up. Hold on. If I like.
Hey, Mark Zuckerberg.
What are you seeing right now?
Hey, baby boy.
Pills.
Hey.
No, I want to take drugs. I'm out. I escape. I'm a door salesman now. No, I want to sell doors.
Hey.
No.
Go in the pool, you freaking loser.
No.
Daddy, no. Daddy, please.
Alright, where'd you go?
Please, no. Dad, no.
Find me right here. No. I'm waterboarding you.
Like, what is my... Oh my gosh, wait, what is happening?
Do a barrel roll.
Where are you? What?
Do a barrel roll.
Okay, I'm just gonna...
No.
It's
No.
not letting me kill you.
No, I'm too cool to die. No.
No, look at my stream, look at my stream.
Where are you? Where are you?
Oh my god!
Oh my gosh! Why are you in the sky?
This is
I'm
the
in
most
the
buggy
house.
game ever. And the award for world's most buggy game goes
I'm
to...
outside of the map. I fall. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh
Why
my
you were
gosh.
escaping?
Oh my gosh! Wait, can I see you from where I am? Oh, God.
We'll make it back, Maddie. We'll make it back up.
What is my PO? What is this?
Wait, what's your PO? You're freaking breaking.
I am.
I don't think Mommy's gonna be able to fix this. I'm gonna be honest.
Mommy comes
We won't
home.
have anything to be able to do.
We have went past the plane of existence.
We touched the light. Let me see the light.
Boing. Hold on, let me smash this against your skull. Your soft skull. Bong, 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 bong.
Me,
bong.
blind people playing with modeling clay when they realize this we're a big child.
Freaking loser. Hey!
No, you don't go over. No, you stop.
We're free! We're free! I'm crossing the border! Yo, who put the pavement like this? Is that Minnesota? Let's go over here. Oh.
No, so close. No, no, you don't do it.
Oh yes. Why are you looking at me like that? Wait, look up. Look up.
I can't.
No, look the other way. No. Hold on, wait. Hold on. When you hold you look down or something. Just look the opposite direction. I can't pick you up. What? Hey. Oh, my screen is black.
Yes! Yes!
Still get you. I may go on your screen and kill you.
What? No! Did you just crash?
Did I crash?